guys, welcome to my channel. I'm doing a do-over on a record that I've done twice. I thought since I have all this paint mixed up, I might as well give it a go. So I've got Artist Loft Brilliant Blue, Amsterdam Pyro Red. I've got Deco Folk Art and Deco Art. One is Color Shift Green Flash and Glorious Gold. Pretty. I like that. All right, we will let that dry and I will see you in a bit. Isn't this pretty? I love how the red turned kind of pink in some places and it mixed with the blue and created that awesome shadow effect. It's not dry yet, but you can see I've got some lumps. I'm hoping that it won't crack. Once I put resin on this, though, you won't even see those. I'm trying to capture that gold shimmer a little bit. Look it. Oh, I love lacing. And I love those wispy lines that I created. So pretty. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate you stopping in and visiting. I hope that you'll like and subscribe and share this with your crafting friends. And until next time, love you. Bye-bye.